Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll take you through the complete setup and installation process of your Google Home Mini. Whether you're a first-time user or resetting your device, our step-by-step guide will make it easy and hassle-free. Let's dive in and get your Google Home Mini up and running smoothly. Start by plugging in your Google Home Mini using the included power adapter. Once connected, you'll see the lights on top of the device begin to pulse, signaling that it's powering on and initializing. This process typically takes a few moments. Next, download the Google Home app onto your smartphone or tablet. This essential app is available on both iOS and Android platforms, and it's necessary for setting up and managing your Google Home Mini. After installing the app, open it and sign in with your Google account. The app will then automatically detect your Google Home Mini, guiding you through the setup process seamlessly. Tap Setup within the app and follow the on-screen prompts. This will guide you through connecting your Google Home Mini to your Wi-Fi network, ensuring a smooth and successful setup. Now, you can personalize your Google Home Mini settings. Assign a unique name to your device and select its location within your home for better organization and more accurate responses. You can also choose your preferred language during the setup process. This allows you to interact with your Google Home Mini in the language that is most comfortable and convenient for you. You can further enhance your experience by linking music services such as Spotify or YouTube Music. This customization allows you to enjoy a more personalized audio experience, tailored to your musical preferences. Your Google Home Mini is now set up and ready to use. Let's test it out with a few voice commands. Say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like today?" or "Hey Google, play some music." If you encounter any issues during setup, restart your router or the Google Home Mini if needed. You can also visit the Google Support website for further assistance.